Okay, so to solve DP number 5, first need to simplify the equation. As you can see, I already did, because it was y equals negative x plus 7, so I just moved x to this side. So it'll be x plus y equals 7, so we have it ready already. So after that now, I'm going to put the first equation down here. So it'll be 0, 5, instead of 2, 5, 2, negative 1. And then I'm going to plug in this one, the last equation over here. So it'll be negative 1, 0, negative 3, and 3. Then I'm going to plug in this one right here, the one we had to simplify to the top. So it'll be 1, 1, 0, and 7. Okay, so we have our matrix set up right there. So first thing we're going to do is try to get 0 right here. But it's already there. So we could just skip that problem. Skip that step. And put already there. And we're done with that part. So now we're going to try to get a 0 right here. So what we need to do, looking at these two problems right here, we need to add row 1 to row 2. That way these cancel out and it equals 0. So it's 1, 1, 0, 7, 0, 5, 2, and negative 1. So negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Negative 3 plus 0 is negative 3. And 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay, so we got that part done. We got 0 on those both sides right there. So our next step now is getting a 0 right here. So we could already put the first two equations, 1, 1, 0, 7, 0, 1, negative 3, 10. So what we need to do here is multiply row 2 by negative 5 and add it to row 3. So if we multiply negative 5 to row 2, it would become 0, negative 5, 15, and negative 50. And the bottom equation would be 0, 5, 2, and negative 1. So what happens here, okay, 0 stays 0, so we got that part down. But negative 5 and 5 cancel, so we have a 0 there. 15 and 2 turns into 17, and negative 51 and negative 1 is negative 51. Okay, so we have all that down. So now, once we have that, we have to get our pyramid ones right here, our stair step ones. So we already have 0, 1, negative 3, 10, we already have that. We have 1, 1, 0, 7, we have that too. So we already have our stair step ones right there. So we just need these ones, but we already have 0, 0. And because it's 17 right here, we're going to go ahead and multiply this by 1 over 17, so this will equal 1. So we already have 1 there. And 17 goes into 51 3 times. So negative 51 divided by 17 is negative 3. And that's our matrix ready to solve. So from here, we can see that x, by the first line, the first row, is x plus y equals 7, and then x plus y equals 7, and then it's 0, 1, negative 3. So there's no x, so it's only y minus 3z equals 10. And the bottom one is z equals negative 3, and that's how it looks like that. So now we solve. So we plug in y, the second equation, y minus 3, and then z is negative 3. So we plug that in, so it's y minus 3 minus times negative 3 is equal to 10. So we multiply, so it's 9, so this is 9, so because 3 times 3 is negative 9, that's already negative here, so it's positive 9. So y plus 9 equals 10. So we subtract 9 from both sides, and we can see y equals 1. So already our ordered pair is negative 3 for z and 1 for y. So all we have to do now is plug in y to the x equation. So it's x plus 1 for y is equals to 7. So we just subtract 1 from it, subtract 1, and it's 6, and x equals 6. So those are our points. And if you want to check in the calculator, we just plug it in. And I already pre-plugged it in the matrix. So I put all the numbers in, and we can see that our points are correct at 6, 1, negative 3. And that is our answer for DP number 5.